Hello everyone, myself, Dr. Hina Ankuya, and today we will discuss about the library catalog and the 5 laws of library science. So let's get started with the introduction of the 5 laws of library and information science. 1 books are for use. Every reader his book 3. Every book its reader 4. Save the time of the reader 5. A library is a growing organism. The 5 laws of library science are a set of basic guiding principles for designing and operating a library or a library system. In fact, each one of the activities of a library may be deduced from these 5 laws. For the preparation and production of a library catalog, a number of useful guidelines are suggested in these 5 laws. The first law, books are for use, indicates the necessity of organizing the collections of a library for maximum use by providing a number of physical facilities and introducing reader services. One such facility is the provision of library catalog, which throws open to the users the entire collections of a library. Physical form of the library catalog should be such that it is flexible, can be kept up to date by adding entries for new document added to the library from time to time. Similarly, information about the document in the entry should be sufficient to identify a document. An explanation and various notes are given to help the readers to make a choice among documents owned by the library. Obviously, without this essential and necessary tool, users would find it difficult to use the collection. Therefore, a library catalog is a must. The second and third laws, every reader his book, every book its reader indirectly, the way a library catalog should provide access to the collections of a library to meet the requirements of users as children, specialist users, physically handicapped persons. Special kinds of analytical entries of documents are to be prepared to reveal the basic contents of documents. The fourth law, save the time of the reader, places great importance on time. A catalog should not only be simple in its design and construction, but also should save the time of a reader. Every approach to a document, that is author, title, subject, series, etc., must be provided in a catalog. Cross-reference entries, i.e., C and C, also entries, should be provided for change of names of persons, countries, subjects, and institutions. Similarly, guidance in the use of library catalog should be provided by organizing orientation courses for newcomers in the library. The fifth law, a library is a growing organism. Encourage a library to view the catalog in its widest perspective, keeping in view changes and growth in the nature and variety of publications, other forms of documents, needs of users, and such other environmental factors. The arrival of the computers and communication technologies has introduced far-reaching changes both in the physical forms of library catalogs and in their internal structure. Terminals of computers are located at distant parts of the library. Only one main entry is enough to access the documents, and added entries are replaced by access points. Library networks provide access to resources of other libraries. Change is unavoidable, and a library should always remain alive to changes. So today we discussed about the 5 laws of library and information science. Thanks for watching my video, and if you like and you want to learn more about the library science, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.